There are two ways to add a CAD model to your RapidPlan Create work cell. Click on the Object button in the toolbar, then select CAD File from the drop-down. Browse to the location in your file manager where the CAD model is stored. More than 20 types of CAD files are supported. Select the file and click Open. You can change the name of the file as you add it. Click OK. You can then either mate the CAD model to an item in the work cell or click somewhere in the cell, not on a keyframe, to leave it weakly mated. Some users find the other way to add a CAD model is even easier. With the RapidPlan Create project open, find the CAD model you want to add in your file manager and drag it onto the project. Again, change the name if desired and click OK.